Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create an invoice in Stripe. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, go to your Stripe dashboard as I have here. You see the plus icon, click it, and then you can see invoice. Just click invoice. For the customer section, put the name of your customer, put his email, choose the language, and then click save. After that, choose the currency, euro, dollar, as you like. For the items, you can add single or one-time items. From your product catalog, you can select the quantity and the price. Select save. You can add shipping if you want, and then select a coupon if you want. You can enable collect text automatically, or you can do it manually here. After that, the payment collection. You can request a payment on a specific date. You can set whatever date you want. You can schedule and send a date. These are the payment method. You can manage it from this button here, or you can auto charge customer for the delivery. You can either select email invoice to customer or do not email customer, include link to online payment page, and therefore additional options. You can have a memo, thanks, for example, click confirm. As you can see here, you can have a footer, for example, thank you, right there. You can customize these options if you want. I'll leave it like that, and then you go to right top corner and then click send invoice, and your invoice will be scheduled or sent automatically. And this is how you can create an invoice in Stripe. Hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe for more, and see you on the next one.